Okay, 68 Camaro update. Painting the engine bay, and it just became too hard to try to get it and really do a nice job on it. So we took the nose off. Took the nose off today, and this is a clean car. Usually there's just full of grease and stuff from the engine underneath there. It's not even dirty. So I just scuff this up and give her a little primer and shoot some semi-gloss black on there, make it look nice. And then if you look over here, I think when we get to the body work, if you look right here, where the flashlight's flat, there's my dog, where the flashlight's, it's got rust around here, so all up in here's all rusted through. There's a dent right here. The other side's rusted through the same. So I think I'm going to probably just get a skin and cut this thing off and put a new skin on there. That's if I do the body work. Body work on this should be pretty easy though, because like I said, this thing is not in bad shape at all. And then we're over here at the front end. Like I said, I started painting it. It's looking all right, you know. Had a reaction. I had to pretty much take it down to the metal. Now, if you look, usually you see the car will be the color of the car all the way down to the fender. But it's going to be too hard to do unless we take this all the way apart and start painting it like that, which ain't going to happen. So I think I'm going to just black this and then use this line here. Then I'll cut it in right here with whatever color he's going to paint it. So it'll be black from here down. It'll look all right. Bunch of parts for it. Lots of parts. So anyway, just a quick update for the 68 Camaro. Actually, that's a nice car. In all the normal places it usually has rust, it doesn't have any. Just those rear fenders. You look in the trunk's nice and it's been dry in there. It's not rusted. The floors are nice. This is a really nice car. So it's a quick update. I don't know. I think I showed the motor before. This is what's going to go in there. It's already ready to go. We'll see. That motor's been sitting for, I think, 10 or 15 years or something. But I scoped the cylinders, and it's really nice in there. No rust or anything like that. So, bad part about the Camaro, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do here, if I'm going to even do anything. I don't know what I can do, but if you look at this dash, somebody really had their way with that. And if I could find that piece, I would cut that out and weld a new one in. But I don't know if that's going to happen. We'll see if I can find a dash out of one of these or something. I don't know. I don't know if that dash is welded in or not. But it's like in here. Whatever color he's going to paint the car, I'm telling him, get the paint. Let's start doing so. Let's cut this car in, paint all these door jambs and stuff, and paint all this stuff up in here and get it all the right color so we can cut in the, you know, get the front end back on here and go from there. Anyway, that's the update. Stay tuned for more, because there is going to for sure be more.